select where with and, or, and not. Or, how can I test for multiple conditions? And, or, and not connect multiple condition tests. All condition tests evaluate to true, false, or null. The highest order of precedence is not first, then and finally or. In the example, A or not B and C, not B is evaluated first, and C is evaluated next, and A or is evaluated last. And evaluates to true only when both conditions are true, and evaluates to null when either condition is null. Or evaluates to true if either value is true, and evaluates to null when both are null, or one is null and the other is false. Not changes true to false, false to true, and null stays as null. It is always a good idea to use parentheses to remove ambiguity. Not does not connect two conditions like and or. Instead, it reverses a single condition. Not is placed before the column name or expression as shown here, and not before the operator as shown here. Not acts on only one condition at a time and must be applied to each condition needing reversal as shown here. The less than and greater than symbols placed together as shown here means not equal and can be used in place of the not column name equal condition. If you know one of multiple conditions has fewer matches, then the test will run faster if that condition is tested first. Write your conditions in such a way that they are easily understood. Here, the first statement requires analysis, but the second statement is easier to understand. The statement price less than 10,000 and price greater than 100,000 will never be true because if one condition is true, the other condition can never be true. Use or, such as price less than 10,000 or price greater than 100,000, and the condition will be found. Here are some other combinations of conditions to consider. You may pause this presentation at any time to review the details. Here is an example of multiple conditions. We will give you a few seconds to look at the results. Now let's click the Y button. If you follow the logic, you can see the matching condition values as yellow numbers against a green background. All fields with a green background are selected for the result table. Again, we will give you a few seconds to look at the results. More examples of compound conditions will be given in other topics. We hope you found this information useful. Please come visit us at computerbasedtraininginc.com for courses with more examples and labs where you create and execute complete commands.